Hello everyone. This is a assignment that I'm giving you for the weekend. It is a new circles math game that I found, and it'll go on the standard about knowing the formulas for the area and circumference of a circle and use them to solve problems. I gave a presentation on this a while back, and this will be a good refresher for you, just so that you can remember what we did. So just hit Control and click on it, and it'll open up to this page. And what you want to do is click this launch button. And something that it might do is that it'll ask for your Adobe Flash Player, and if that doesn't work, just go to your settings and then enable it, or you might have to download it like I taught you how to do a while back. So make sure you have that working. And you just want to go through this game. This narrator talks a lot. I know it's annoying, but he does go through some really crucial information, and it's a really great review. He goes through all of these glossary words that we've gone through. Just go ahead and listen to what he has to say, go through the whole game. I want you to get at least a 750, if not more, on this game. And if you have to, try it again, that's fine. Just let me see your, take a screenshot of the ending of the game, of what you get on your score, and go ahead and post it so I know what you got, and I know that you did it. And just have fun. I mean, it's just a review. It's nothing too serious. It won't be anything hard. It'll be an easy, simple review of what we already learned. Yeah, and the narrator explains it really nicely, this guy. Yeah, so go ahead and play it, have fun with it, and yeah, let me know how it goes.